Today, the Supreme Court allowed the Centre to re-examine the sedition law and reconsider the provisions of Section 124A of the IPC, which criminalizes the offence of sedition. The Apex Court added that till the time of re-examination of the law is complete, no case will be registered under 124A. The Centre has been given time till July for the re-examination. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana said, and I quote, "Union of India agrees with the prima facie opinion expressed by the court that the rigors of Section 124A is not in accordance with the current social milieu." Notably, yesterday the Supreme Court asked the Centre to file a response by today over whether the sedition law can be put on hold and the cases of people charged under it, as well as the future cases that can be suspended for the time being the law is re-examined. Today, the Centre told the Supreme Court that suspending or staying the sedition provisions till the time the law is being reviewed may not be the correct approach. Clearing its stand on the future cases, the Centre told the SC that a cognizable offence cannot be prevented from being registered. The Centre added that it might not be the correct approach, therefore a responsible officer is needed for scrutiny before FIRs under Section 124A IPC are registered. The satisfaction of the officer is subject to judicial review. Appearing for the Centre, S.G. Tushar Mehta argued that as far as pending sedition cases are concerned, the gravity of each case is not known. Maybe there is a terror angle or money laundering.